Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the new Gemini feature on your iPhone in the Google Maps and how we can give instructions or use the Gemini in the Google Maps and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, before proceeding to this, make sure that you have given access to the microphone to the Google Map. Most of users might have disabled it, so we have to turn it on first. So to do so, what you need to do is we have to go over here to the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the privacy and security. From here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the microphone. Now over here you can see you have already given access, but sometimes for some reason we might have turned it on for Google Maps, so try turning on it for the Google as well. Once you've done this, what you need to do is we have to go over here. You can search for Google Maps. Now from here, search here for Maps. Now from here, tap on Google Maps. Now this is how it looks like. Now I wanted to give the commands, and before that we need to make one more step or changes. That is all about, we have to go over here to the top on the profile. You have to tap on this. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down and navigate to settings. Now from here you have to go to navigation. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down. Over here you can see there is an option called Gemini, which stands with go hands free with Hey Google. So you have to try turning on this and go for turn on. Now once you're done, we just need to go back from here. After turning on this, you can just go back to the map. Now from here, I'm just trying to locate any kind of nearest thing, but I'm just going to give some questions to the Gemini as well. So I'm just going to select a location called Burgerlo Rest Cafe. So I'm just going to select this particular one over here, and I'm going to click on directions. So I pinned that location and I'm going to give the directions. Now I'm going to click start, and right now it starts me the location, how long it's going to take. So I'm going to ask some questions to the Gemini here on the way to that particular area. So this will be helpful sometimes if you're traveling too far and you wanted to know the weather, you want to know whether it's going to block and all kind of things, you can ask them as well. So what you need to do is once you set up the location, you have to go over here. You can see the Gemini icon, you have to tap on it. Hey Gemini, could you please let me know which is the best dessert or food item to experience in the Burgerlo Cafe? Now I have asked it a question, so Gemini is just checking out right now, and based on what it's been given, it is based on the...
At Burgerlo Resto Cafe, visitors often recommend trying their quesadillas, chicken wings or pasta for a savory meal. If you're looking for a refreshing drink or dessert, their mojitos are a popular choice. Since you're currently navigating, would you like me to add a stop at the cafe for you?
No, thank you. Now it is just give me a complete...
I'll leave your route as it is. Let me know if you need help with anything else while you're on the road.
So it has just given me a complete details on the cafe, which I pinned as a location is having some quesadillas and all kind of things, which is much better if I'm going to that particular place. So you can use the Gemini not only for this purpose, if you're traveling far or if you're moving from one town to another, if you want to know everything about that particular location or the geography or the nature, you can use the Gemini and you can ask them all the way to the driving. And I hope this is how we can do this. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.